how do you solve that pain, or what does digital maturity look like? Well, first off, you have to care. You have to actively care, so it has to be a priority to improve your experience.
You know what that does to your customers? Watch, they're gonna be very happy.
There's not a lot of folks in the retail industry that can spell API.
No.
So what you're trying to do is address the broadest possible market with the best possible experience.
And you end up in this ticketing hell of large organizations and nothing gets done.
What we believe is if you're facing a complex challenge, if you can break part of that concept into a picture, you're recruiting more gray matter.
Innovation really requires iteration.
There's no other way to enable the future of commerce but to leverage APIs and go headless.
So that's what digital transformation does to your monolithic architecture. That's why commercetools, Amplience, Mobify exist, and that's why we, EPAM, integrate them all for you.
Nothing that they had in market worked anymore. Nothing worked.
That's likely the day or the week or the month or the year you learn your platform actually has a head.
The question is, does it enable this, right? And if it doesn't enable this, and it's on the chopping block.
And if you want small little nimble teams that do interesting things, then carve your organization up that way.
Customer experience, digital experience is the key to business growth.
There's so much thinking out in the market about where we're headed, and we think this is a nice group of companies that can bring you guys into the future. So, commercetools for headless commerce, Amplience for content. We've got Mobify, going to take care of the front end, and then agency systems integrators who can bring all this to life for you.